वहीं सभी मेहमानों से मिलने के बाद तीनों बैडमिंटन की देवियां पहुंची कोलंबो केक एंटरटेनमेंट जोन में, जहां पर इनका हुआ श्रीलंकन अंदाज में स्वागत। और उसके बाद इन्होंने स्टेज पर अपने अपने विचार रखे गेम्स के बारे में, भारत के बारे में और इंडियन प्रो बैडमिंटन लीग के बारे में। इनको ज्वाइन किया कैप्टन विनीत चतुर्वेदी ने, जो इंडियन प्रो बैडमिंटन लीग का संचालन करते हैं, और सब ने गेमिंग के नाम सजी शाम में भारत के बैडमिंटन का परचम लहराया।
League. What is the league called?
Indian Pro Badminton League.
Vinit ji, you're associated with the league. Can I have a few words from you, please, about how did this idea originate, and how did you move forward to decide to take these lovely ladies as the team captains, right?
So the idea is very simple. Sports or anything in the world is great with the glamour. So that's the basic idea. So badminton, why? Because the most played sports in the world, even in India, at least 99.9% people have played the badminton one time or the other in their life. That was the idea to bring up week of that. And again, and every week is that we give it a hashtag Har Ghar Ka Game. That is game of every household. When we talk about house, we talk about women. We talk about female. That's how 8 female celebrities as the 8 key bowlers. We have Gitanjali Mishra owning Net Ninjas, Lucknow, Aspa Chaudhary owning Flying Warriors, Jaipur, and Preet Gaur Chadha owning Ace Attackers, Delhi. Yesterday, you must have seen Urvashi Dholakia, she owns Pretty Shuttlers, Mumbai. So the idea is very simple. Sports and entertainment is the plan.
About the visit, if this is your first time here, how are you finding Sri Lanka so far? Anything that has surprised you or impressed you?
Of course, the first thing surprised me was the delay of my flight. So we were supposed to fly at 3, and due to the floods, we came in the morning flight. And it was amazing. We had a good time. As soon as we landed here, हमें लगा कि हम India में ही हैं, because the airport is just exactly like the small towns of India. And as soon as we came out and sat in our car, and that journey to our hotel was mind-blowing. We really enjoyed it because the beautiful coconut trees, and as soon as we saw that Lotus Tower, we thought that now we can feel Sri Lanka. So,
Is this your first visit that you've been here?
yeah, this is, I'm a group photo, but Sri Lanka was one of the bucket lists, so I've completed it through you guys. Thank you.
And how has your experience been with the Bangladesh's hospitality? Anything in particular that stood out during your time here? So you're beginning the young now.
See, a first impression is the last impression, and I'm really overwhelmed the way you invited us and the way you promoted the whole thing and accepted the collaborations. And also from our hotel to here, it was very beautifully managed. And after we just landed at Bellagio, and I must say it was so beautiful to see the beautiful girls dancing and all those Sri Lankan typical musicians, traditional musicians. And I am really very excited for my rest of the evening here. मुझे लगता है I'm gonna win a lot.
Well, the good news is I'm going to give you money to play also.
Yes.
But since my boss is not here, I can take the liberty of telling this. वो होता तो मैं नहीं बोलता. जब जीत रहे हो, भागो यहाँ से. अगर नहीं जाओगे तो मैं आपके पैसे वापस ले जाऊंगा.
नहीं, हम जीत के ही जाएंगे. अपने ट्रिप का खर्चा नहीं.
मैं एक का वाला लॉट yesterday बहुत जीती. वो उसकी लत देखो, वो छोटा खेल, ठीक है ना? 3,000 5,000 आ रही थी. अब गलती से उससे देखा नहीं और उसने 2,000 का सिक्का सोच के 2 लाख का डाल दिया. वो जीत गई. She won that. So that's how you need luck also in this.
Okay.
नहीं, वो तो उसके पास था. And with such a long and diverse career, what keeps you passionate about acting, and is there a role or genre you're hoping to explore next?
Yeah, so I am also with Mumbai Congress. I'm the vice president of Mumbai Mela Congress. Other than I'm an actor and producer. So main focus of mine is on women empowerment, and it's always beautiful to help women. Being in Indian Pro Badminton League, it gave me an opportunity to be with the most beautiful, talented, and amazing co-owners. So I had a good time.
If I talk about the ground reality, now past few years we are just leading towards, mobile games, internet games, and day by day is growing up. So being a team owner, being a part of Indian Pro Badminton League, I think this is the big initiative and the real initiative where we support as well as ask people to join, ask people to come. Game is not only on the net or computer or maybe in your communication. You have to get down, ग्राउंड पर जाइए, वहाँ पर खेलिए, क्योंकि हमारी सबसे बड़ी जो वेल्थ है दैट इज योर हेल्थ. सो physical activity makes you more powerful and healthy. So this is the great way. And being in Bellagio, I feel कि हमारा जो ये इंडियन प्रो बैडमिंटन की गेम लीग है, इसमें जो हमारा गेम है बैडमिंटन को हम प्रमोट कर रहे हैं. सो नाउ आई फील विनीत जी कि हमें ना इस गेम के लिए भी, जैसे कैसीनो में बहुत सारे गेम्स होते हैं, इस गेम के लिए भी अलग से स्पेस बनानी पड़ेगी. स्पेसिफिकली घर घर का गेम अब टैप पे एक ओनली वन टच अवे वाला भी सोचना पड़ेगा हमें.
Do you have something related to badminton? Any machine?
No.
So I think this will be the good idea to initiate and progress here also. क्योंकि आपको एक्साइटमेंट तभी मिलती है जब कोई चीज़ आपके हाथ से मतलब एकदम नज़दीक में हो. सो जब एक बार उसकी लत लग जाए ना, तो मुझे तो तेरी लत लग गई वाला हिस्सा होगा, तब आप अपने मोबाइल से निकलकर कोर्ट रूम तक भी जाएंगे. हाँ, मुझे तो तेरी लत लग गई. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस सॉन्ग एंड ग्रेसफुल वुमेन, heroine, the actress, Jacqueline Fernandez belongs to the same city, same place, same country. So seems good, sounds good.
और ये सारे पल हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं. कोलंबो से ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट.